The last step is to develop a specifications. So how is a specification different to a scope of works? A scope of works helps you define the extent and type of the works that you want to get completed, so you can communicate this to your builder or trade. A scope of works might say things like terminate and remove PowerPoint from kitchen and reinstate PowerPoint in cupboard. Whereas a specification will provide information about the actual product type and material. So why is this important? Because there can be vast amounts of difference in between any product type in quality and expense. This is a set of taps, and this is also a set of taps. So what we don't specify will most likely be assumed. And we've all seen those memes about what happens when we assume something. Our specifications go to our concept of enough. We find that specifications will evolve depending on your stage of a project. They might be generalised at the point of getting a quote and highly specified when you get to the point where your project is being delivered. Renovation Insider, a better way to start your home improvement.